Okay, here we've got the Star Wars Episode 7 alarm clock, and it shows Kylo Ren there, and it was on sale at Sainsburys for £3, so I thought I'd pick one up. Really nice image on the clock, and here's the back of the box. It uses one AA battery, and it's by BB Designs Europe, and it's from Britain. I've got some other clocks. I've got Disney, some Marvel clocks, and a DC Batman one, same type. But this is the Star Wars Episode 7 clock, and I'll get it out of the box and show you what it looks like. Okay, I've taken the clock out of the box and put the battery in, so you can see it's an alarm clock. It looks really good. It's got Kylo Ren, three First Order Stormtroopers. Really nice. There's the back of the clock. StarWars.com. BBD Designs made in China. And I've got other clocks. So that's the Star Wars one, which is really nice. It's got a sort of 3D image there. Then I've also got this Batman one, which I also got at Sainsburys for around Christmas time for £3. And I've got this Marvel one as well. You've got Iron Man, Captain America, Spider-Man, the Hulk. It's the same design as the Star Wars one, this one, the same shape. Same make. It's the same model really. But it's the Star Wars one we're interested in. It's usually the best of the three. So that's your Star Wars clock. There you've got your Marvel and your Batman as well. There's your Batman. Okay. Almost 12 o'clock. Okay, so there you go. Cheers. Bye.